Hi everyone, our new course Stylized 3D Character Creation in Blender is out, and you can get the course now by following the links below. In this course, we will create this beautiful character you see on the screen, and along the way, you will learn all the essential techniques, tools, and knowledge to create any characters from scratch. And during this video, we will go over the course content, and you will also learn about the unique features of this course, which makes it the right choice for you. Since this course is focused specifically on character creation, we will be moving a bit faster through general Blender basics. That's why this course is best suited for learners with basic experience in Blender. Now, let's explore what you will be learning here. This course follows the complete character creation pipeline with each essential step explained in its own chapter. We will start things off by finding reference images and set them up for best viewing. Having a reference is a crucial and logical first step in any creative project because it helps you form a clear idea of what you're going to make. After we set up our reference images, we dive into sculpting. This is probably the most fundamental step in character creation. Here, we will learn the essential tools and sculpting features of Blender, and we will sculpt our character. The next step is retopology. This is where we create a clean, organized, and optimized mesh, essential for both animation and game development. Once the mesh is clean, we move to UV unwrapping. You will learn all the essential tools to create and edit the UVs in Blender and unwrap your 3D character properly. The next step is creating textures and materials, and in this step, we will learn how to paint textures by hand and also by baking. We will also learn to sculpt small details using multi-res modifier and bake those details onto an image texture. By the end of this chapter, you will have all textures and materials ready for your character. Finally, we will move to presentation. You will learn how to rig and pose your character, create a nice scene, set up the lighting, and produce a final render. Now, although we will create a stylized character in this course, the overall process you will learn, from sculpting to texturing to rendering, is exactly the same for realistic characters. So, once you understand all these techniques, you can easily apply them to create realistic characters with only a difference in artistic approach. And now, we will talk about some unique advantages of this course which makes it really effective. Unlike most courses, every lesson in this course includes clear timestamps, which means you will see exactly what you are learning in each lesson and exactly when you will learn them during the video. Also, the timestamps allow you to find any topic in the lesson much easier if you ever need a quick refresher. Secondly, and probably more importantly, each and every lesson in this course ends with either quick questions or a challenge section. These will help you reflect on what you have learned, strengthen your understanding, and encourage you to practice what you have learned. And finally, there are no time lapses in this course. Everything is shown in real time. Trust me, most character creation courses contains lots of time-lapse videos, which frustrates any learner, especially the beginners. And of course, in our course, every video is carefully edited for pacing, and you will get the full process without wasting much time. Well, these are the features that most students love, and we've added them to make your learning experience as effective as possible. So, if you're serious about creating your own 3D characters for games or animation, this is the complete pipeline you need. Jump right in, and I'll see you inside the course.